Okay, welcome back to our discussion in arithmetic sequence. And today we're going to learn how to insert arithmetic means between two non-consecutive terms. Okay, so our objective for today's presentation Okay, so here's our example in inserting arithmetic mean or means between two non-consecutive terms. Example number 1. Find three terms between 2 and 34 of an arithmetic sequence. So, to do this, we are going to write the sequence starting from 2 and then 3 spaces, then 34. Again, you are going to write 3 spaces between 2 and 34 since you're going to insert 3 terms. So after we insert 3 terms, how many terms all in our sequence? Okay, so let us identify our given. So our n now, the number of terms is 5. Okay, so there are 5 terms. Then our first term 2, and then our last term 34. So 2 is our first term, a sub 1, and 34 is our last term, a sub 5. Then D. So what is our common difference? So what number that we're going to add to 2 to obtain the next term, and then add it to second term to get the third term, and then the same number we add the third term to get the fourth term, and then that number also added to the fourth term to get the fifth term. So there are 3 terms between 2 and 30. So we're going to solve for D. So the formula in solving for D is a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Again, to solve for D, the last term minus the first term divided by the number of terms minus 1. Okay, so let's substitute. So D equals 34 minus 2. Last term is 34. Then the first term is 2 divided by 5 minus 1. So our n is 5. So 5 minus 1. Then D equals 32 over 4. So 32 over 4 is 8. So therefore, our common difference is 8. So this is our common difference for this sequence. Okay, so we can now answer our second term, third term, and fourth term by adding 8 to our first term. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, then 10 plus 8, 18 plus 8, 26. Okay, so 10, 18, and 26, these are our arithmetic means. Okay, again, our arithmetic means between 2 and 34 are 10, 18, 26. Do you understand? Okay, here's another problem. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. So 4 naman ka-arithmetic means ang i-insert. Okay, again, we are going to write the arithmetic sequence starting from 5 and then 4 spaces between 5 and 25. So, may 4 na ka blank. Then, how many terms all in all after we insert 4 arithmetic means? Okay, so there are 6 and that is our n. Kaya nag-insert ka 4 plus ang 2, 6 na. Okay? Next, our first term is 5. Our last term is 25. That is our a sub 6. And then what is the common difference? So find the common difference. Still our formula, the last term minus the first term divided by number of terms minus 1. Substitute 25 minus 5 all over 6 minus 5. So then our D is 20 over 5 or 4. Okay, so our common difference is 4. So this is the number that we are going to add 5 to get the second term. So our second term is 9. And then 9 plus 4, our third term is 13. And then 13 plus 4, 17. And then 17 plus 4, 21. And then 21 plus 4 is 25. So therefore our sequence is an arithmetic sequence since we have a common difference of 4. So 9, 13, 17, and 21, these are our arithmetic means. Again, the arithmetic means of 5 and 25 are 9, 13, 17, and 21. Do you understand? Okay, I hope you get now or know now how to find or insert arithmetic means between two non-consecutive terms.